Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Woman Resists Police Orders During Traffic Stop Ends Badly.
Thank you very much. Come over here.
On Christmas Day of 2025, officers in South Plainfield pulled over a vehicle driving erratically with busted taillights. What started as a simple traffic stop ends in a forceful felony arrest after the suspect refuses to comply.
Good morning. My name is Lieutenant Mark Bullock. My badge number is 1026. That's 1026. I stopped you for two reasons this morning. One, both of your taillights were not on and not working while I was behind you. Furthermore, when you were heading down the street, you started swerving to the right. Is everything okay this morning? What's that?
I'm okay.
All right. Do you have your paperwork on you, miss? License, registration, insurance card, please?
Yeah.
May I see it? Thank you. Is everything okay, miss?
Yeah, I'm okay. I live on the one.
All right. Like I said, you were not only the taillights weren't working, like I said, it's also so you swerving a little bit. And while I'm standing here at this window, I do smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from the interior of the vehicle. How many drinks would you say you had altogether tonight? And how many was that, ma'am?
I'm okay.
Do you know how many drinks you had tonight?
No.
All right. Do you have the registration and insurance as well? I'll take your license for now, thank you. Do you have your registration and insurance, miss?
You have my license?
I know, but I need your registration and insurance. Thank you very much. Appreciate you trying to look at that for me now. Thanks. Can you come out? I need to talk to you on the side of the road over here. I'd appreciate it. I just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
What?
I'm asking you to exit the vehicle because I'm lawfully allowed to do so, and I want to ensure that you're okay to drive. So could you please come over here to the curb with me? Miss, please. I don't want to argue or...
Miss, come on.
Because I said so, huh? Let's go.
Come on. We don't need to we're going to make sure you're good to drive. Come on.
No, I live at...
Miss, please step out of the car.
No.
Come on.
Miss, please step out of the car.
Let's go.
I'm going to do some testing with you to make sure you're good to drive. I'm asking you nicely, please step out of the car.
Yo vivo a una cuadra.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Miss, yes. We're not.
It amazes me how a lot of times people that get pulled over, like for either DUI or whatever, even just traffic stops, right? A lot of times they all say, "Oh, I just live around the corner," or "Oh, I'm just down the block." Like that makes a difference. Still gonna have to get you together.
We're only looking into this motor vehicle thing. That's it. We're not interested in anything else, so we're clear.
¿Me escuchas? Junior, ¿me escuchas? Ya.
It can never be easy, bro. Sir, do you speak English?
No. Estoy...
No, not yet.
No, ¿cómo
She'll pull away. She was like, "You're gonna walk and shouldn't stop right here." And I'll stop
Yo
her.
vivo en una cuadra.
I don't want to take that risk. Miss, please come out of the car.
No, sir.
You got to come out of the car. Yes, you do. Well, then we're going to place you under arrest.
No. No, estoy con dos policías fuera de mi carro, a una cuadra de mi casa, y me dicen que salga del carro. ¿Qué hago?
Ya escúchales, pero no hagas los exámenes.
Ok, me están diciendo que baje del carro, pero no voy.
Look at that. The guy on the phone, he understand. Hey, look, whoever is on the phone, that guy he's telling her the right thing to do, man. He's telling her the right thing to do. Get out the car, listen to what they say. But nope, she hard-headed.
Ay, okay.
Mira, usted va a ir a la cárcel hoy.
Man, she ain't gonna listen to her, man. Oh, no.
No hagas sus exámenes.
Okay.
Te van a llevar a la cárcel. Pero no hagas los exámenes. Te van a dar instrucciones de hacer unos exámenes y no hagas nada.
That's true.
A una cuadra de la casa y los policías me están diciendo que baje del carro. ¿Por qué?
We have translator.
Okay.
Coming.
She understands English.
Translator. You should come over here.
I'm tired.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm tired and I vivo en una cuadra.
Translate. Translator.
Sí. Hola, voy a ser su intérprete en español. Todo lo que diga será confidencial y la llamada se puede monitorear para calidad y entrenamiento. Lo único que quiero es que puedan salir del vehículo para hacer unas pruebas de conducción para ver cómo se encuentra. Sé que tal vez haya visto cosas en las noticias. Nosotros solamente estamos aquí para comprobar su estado en este momento. Nada más va a pasar. Así que solamente necesito, por favor, que baje de su vehículo para hacer la prueba.
No estoy obligada a bajar de mi vehículo. Estoy bien. Estoy a media cuadra de llegar a mi casa y estoy bien. Solo estoy cansada.
What did she say?
I'm tired.
I don't want to leave my vehicle. I am like half block away from my home. I'm fine. I'm just tired.
All right. Well, tell her she's got to step out and go over some testing to make sure she's okay. Otherwise, she's definitely going to be placed under arrest because I have no choice. And the other thing is, her house and her license is in Plainfield. That's a few miles back the other way. She's going away from her house.
Necesita bajar del vehículo, si no la voy a tener que poner bajo arresto porque no me está dejando otra opción. Y otra cosa, casa según su licencia está en Plainfield, eso está a una milla. Usted está yendo hacia el otro lado, o sea, se está alejando de su casa.
No, estoy yendo a mi casa. ¿Puedo ir a mi casa? No estoy mal, estoy cansada. Y si quieren, pueden seguirme hasta mi casa. No hay problema, pero solo estoy cansada del trabajo. No hay problema, no he hecho nada malo.
Okay, what was that?
No, I am on my way home. You can follow me if you want to home. I'm okay. I'm just tired from work. I didn't do anything wrong.
Ask her then, at least try this before we get anything goes crazy. See if she'll be willing, while she's still seated in the car, to stick her head out so I could give her an eye test.
Mientras, antes de que esto escale a más, necesito que, por favor, saque la cabeza.
See, I don't like that. I don't like that. You're letting her dictate. You know, I feel like as the officer, if you want her to do a certain thing, that's it. If she don't want to do that, then it is what it is, right? Because you want her to step out of the vehicle to perform field sobriety tests. Now, she doesn't have to do the field sobriety test, and I think he should explain that because he hasn't explained that. But she's refusing to step out of the vehicle. The main point is that you need her out of the vehicle. Okay, whether she does the test or not, you have already made up your mind that you're going to arrest her. So she needs to get out of the vehicle. But no, you're letting her dictate what's going on and this and that. And so now you're going to bow down and not, okay, don't step out of the vehicle. But the next best thing is, oh, just stick your head out so I can do a eye test. No. You want her out of the vehicle, get her out of the vehicle, whether she wants to or not. Let's go. Let's get to it. Get to the action.
She's shaking her head no. I assume that's what she said. She said she's not doing it. Just tell her one last time, and I don't want this to go bad at all. Tell her she has to get out of the car. Otherwise, she's going to be placed under arrest. And I don't want to do that. So tell her she's got to get out or she's going to be placed under arrest. I mean, this is her last chance.
Esta es su última advertencia. Necesito que salga del vehículo o de lo contrario la voy a poner bajo arresto. No quiero ponerla bajo arresto. Esa es tu última oportunidad de salir del vehículo.
Okay, what did she say for that?
I'm not forced to do that because I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, so she's not going to get out, I guess. Okay. All right, tell her she's under arrest. Step out of the car, Miss, under arrest. You're not cooperating with our investigation. You can't just be, suspicion of DWI and then drive off without any testing. Yeah, you can. You know where the thing is first? Come on out.
No,
out. Miss, come out.
I saw that.
Miss, come out.
Grab her.
Miss, please come out. We don't want this to get physical. Please come out. Thank you very much. Come over here.
Get over here.
Estoy saliendo del auto.
Yeah.
Me están arrestando, Junior.
Get against the car.
Me están arrestando, Junior.
You're searching.
Jesus, please.
Why is she crying? She did this to herself. Don't cry now. You better start learning the laws of the country you living in. Cop asks you to step out, you gotta step out, period.
Señora, siéntate, por favor.
Can't say no. No, I don't want no. Okay.
All
All
right.
right.
Keys are right here. Right here. I'm gonna go grab her phone.
Yeah.
Jesus, please.
Jesus ain't got nothing to do with this.
Voy a confiar en ti.
Vámonos.
Okay.
Vámonos. Ven acá.
No. Look at me. No.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, driving under the influence, obstructing justice, and driving with busted taillights. Leave a like if you enjoy.
Unbelievable. Once again, people bring this stuff upon themselves. We didn't even get to the testing part, whatever. You don't have to do the test. Your husband or whoever was on the phone, he told you right. He told you, step out of the car. You know, listen to what they say. Step out of the car. Don't do test. But he said that in the translate. It said it. That's what he told her to do. Listen to them. Step out of the car. Don't do test. No test. And that's that. And that's her right to refuse field sobriety test. But you have to step out though. That's not up for debate. That's not. Cop asks you step out. Period. You know what I'm saying? But you ain't got to do the test. Whoever was on the phone tried to tell her right. She don't want to listen to her man. Don't say, oh, Jesus, oh, my husband. Oh, don't say it now. Your husband tried to tell you. He tried to tell you. You don't want to listen. You want to do things your own way? All right. Now you got Big Shirley waiting down there at the county for you. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.